Hi guys! Okay, so today I'm going to do a tutorial that was requested on Instagram by some of you, and it's the Mohawk braid, half up, half down, beach wave kind of deal. I don't really know what to call it. I don't have a good name. Okay, but to get started, I'm going to be using day-old hair. I let my hair air dry yesterday, just kind of had it in a ponytail, and I slept on it last night, so it's kind of dirty. Which is exactly what you want for this style. And yeah, it looks pretty stellar. Okay, so step one, you're gonna take top half of your hair here. I usually take right behind the ears and just tie that up with an alligator clip. Should have worn a better shirt for this. And separate your hair into two distinct sections. So the curling iron that I'm going to be using today is plugged in. It's 1 inch. It used to have a clamp. I took it off. So I don't like clamps. I like the way wands work a little bit better. So let's do this. I'm going to take my hair here, and it's going to be in about 3 sections. I'm going to take the back section. I have all these weird little baby hairs. Okay, so take the back section. Take your curling iron, wrap the hair around it, and leave the end out. So you just really want it to be really wavy. So you don't want to curl the ends because then it'll look too done. This is a really messy style. Okay, so look kind of like that. Perfect. So then I'm going to take second section. And I'm going to curl it the opposite direction. So last time I wrapped my hair around it, and this time I'm wrapping it in front of it. Does that make sense? Okay, just like that. Whoops. Okay, so now I'm going to take the front end of my hair here, and we'll do it opposite way again. So you're just alternating. Okay, so for the next section of hair, you're going to let your clipped hair down. Now you're going to go from your temples. Pull all that hair back up into your clip. Another tip is it's important to make sure that the pieces that are right next to your face curl away from your face. Because if they curl in, it can sometimes make your face look smaller. And since this isn't a very thick layer, I'm just going to do 2 pieces. Okay, next section, so let all your hair down again. You're going to go from here back. Okay. Just clip that sucker up. I think this is my best look. All done. Okay, so now you've got this chunk of hair. Run your fingers through it. And we're going to do a couple different sections here. So grab that piece of hair you know the drill. Okay, so it's kind of our last layer. Find your part. All right. I usually do this section in 2 or 3 layers, because sometimes it gets a little thick. Let's get everything here. Okay, so we'll probably do 2 layers today. So I'm just gonna pull it over to this side of my head, clip it so that it doesn't move. And repeat what we've been doing. So we're going to take this last layer over here. Rinse and repeat. Okay. And then same thing on this side. Okay, so now our hair is curled, so it's time to put some product in it. I use 3 products for styling my curled hair. It's Kevin Murphy Do-Over, and it pretty much rocks. It says dry powder, finishing hairspray, and it pretty much just adds amazing texture to my hair and allows me to use second day hair without looking greasy. So I'm gonna put this in. I'll be right back. It's a nice mist in the room now. Yeah, so just kind of volumizes a little bit. Yeah. Glossy Awesome Volume Hairspray, maximum hold. Yeah, so it's great. I love it. I feel like it says maximum hold, but it's more of a flexible hold, and it keeps my hair just from falling out during the day. I'm gonna be back. Still killing it. Yeah, so it's getting bigger, you know, as the video goes on. This Bedhead Manipulator, and it's texture paste. So you can see right there. This stuff is the bomb. You just put a little bit of this paste in your hand, rub your hands together, and then put on the ends of the hair so that they stay separated. I'll be back. Now we're in business. So now that your hair is as big as a 70s rock star, we can start actually styling it. So if you want to stop here, all good. Run your fingers through a little bit. It does calm down in a couple of minutes, and then you're left with these messy beach curls. So you're going to need 2 bobby pins and 1 tiny clear elastic. Bobby pins, clear elastic, and now what we're going to do is the actual styling. So we're going to start with the Mohawk Dutch braid. So it's really only going to be like right here on your head. So you don't want to grab hair from all the way down, because then you're not going to be able to pull it back, and that's now what we're going for. So I'm gonna flip my chair around so you can see what I'm doing on the back side of my head. So now, got this look going on here. To pick it up just a little bit, I'm going to take this teasing comb and just kind of add some volume here.